Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque, welcome to another video. Today we have a sponsored product. Thank you FITCAMX for sending this out. So this is the FITCAMX Dashcam. It is a 4K dashcam. Okay, the box itself is very nice, as you can see, white and blue design, very beautiful. It's got a built-in Wi-Fi apparently, and it gives you a memory card as well, and it's got an app as well, so that's pretty cool. It's a very big box, as you can see. The biggest dashcam box I've ever seen, because there's a reason for that, you'll see in the video. Okay, left side's plain, ideal for driving, very nice. Got the logo there. Here you go. Wi-Fi connection, which is good. Loop recording, G sensors, super wide angle, perfect fit, wide dynamic range. Okay, so this is the model HD2. This is the caution how to set it up first time. Okay. And the company is from Guangdong. A lot of the tech companies are from Guangdong, which I found. So let's go ahead and see if I can cut this with my fingernails. No, I don't see my can. I just have to peel it off. I did have some scissors somewhere, but can't seem to find them. Right, give me a second, guys. Okay, guys, I found the scissors now, finally. Let's go ahead and cut this now. Can I do it one-handed? I'm not sure. Maybe, let's see. Hold it like this. There you go, guys. Oh, it's one of the top heavy ones, isn't it? So you might need 2 hands for this. Come on. You only need 2 hands just to get both sides out. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. Okay, ready, guys? Bam. Very nice, actually. Look at this packaging, guys. Very beautiful. Accessories here. The actual dashcam in here. I use a manual. Cable pull out instructions. Let's have a look what's inside the dashcam bit. Give you the cable and so this is your rear dashcam. Okay, very nice. This is your front dashcam. And this is your mirror, I think. Nothing else in there. This should be the mirror, I believe. Let's have a look. There you go, guys. So this is the unique thing about this one. This is the unique feature about this dashcam. Oh, why is it like that? How is that supposed to close? Yeah, this is the unique feature. Basically, the camera is going to hide inside of this, so you don't really see everything. It's all hidden, basically. Oh, is that the camera? This might be the camera lens. Let's see. Oh, I think it is, you know. But yeah, give me a second, guys. There's your camera. So that will be. How does a mirror usually say? Probably like that, isn't it? There's your power on button. Take a picture mode or emergency recording. There's your camera. There's your SD card slot. Let's see, 64 gigs it looks like. Yeah, this is the own branded one. It's quite cool that they have their own branded SD cards. Okay. Cut off the tail to adjust the length if necessary. Cut off what tail? These? How the hell you wanna cut off plastic? Okay. Seems there's a lot of stuff I need to figure out how to do. There's your rear cam wire. And this is for your rain sensor or something. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. Let's see what the instructions say. So then what's this then? That's a camera as well though. Ah, wait, what? Specialized for KOL to shoot installation video, not for sale. Oh, so this is just extra they give me. It's not for sale though. Oh, it's not even a camera, it's a bloody mount. Interesting. Oh, that's pretty cool. They gave me a free mount, windscreen mount for your phone. I thought it was a camera all this time. We'll have a look at everything they gave anyway. Give me a second, let me take everything out. And guys, we took everything out now. So in that one, that bag I just showed you, well, I thought it was a camera, it's not a camera, it's a phone holder like I said. So yeah, it's one of them tough ones, which is alright. But this is the main showpiece, look at that. That's like a sticky one though, so once you put it on, I don't think you can take it off, or maybe you can, I don't know, we'll see. And then you clamp it down like this to hold it in place. This is just a phone mount though, don't know why they gave that, but that's nice of them. It's a very weird mount, you can put it in any angle you feel like. Look, yeah. Look at that one, any angle you feel like. Make it straight up if you want, wherever you feel like putting it you can do it. Look, any angle you fish. It's a bit tough to do, but you just have to mold it. Pretty cool. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty cool. That's out the way. So this is the other bag, this is the rear camera. So this plugs into there on the actual thingy. Simply plugs in like that. So plug in now. I might find you how to take off later. No, we'll do that later. And then there's your rear camera. Yeah, this side up, yes. And there's your lens, and take that off as well. I don't like these screen protectors. And then there's your 3M tape to take that off before you install it and stick it up where you want it. Then what else is there? And then these were included. These are like cable management clips, so you put it there and the cable will basically go inside of this, like hooks, cable hooks basically with 3M, and you click in place. I'm not going to click in place just in case I can't open it again, because some of them are like that way, it's very difficult to open again without breaking them. So yeah, all you do is click it back into place, can you see? And then that just holds up, so you'll put this on your ceiling or whatever. Good cable management basically, very nice of them to give that. People usually don't give that. So it's a very premium kit. Right, what's this? We've done all that. What else is this? So accessories, what's in here? Nothing else in there. They gave us like a tool removal tool thing for like your plastic removals. That's pretty cool. That's for cable management and stuff. So you use this end and that end, whatever you want to use. This one will be better. You basically take your trims off with that. And then this will be your SD card reader maybe, I don't know. What's the purpose of this? Here it is. There you go, there's your SD card reader. If you want to use it, so you can use this in a phone, USB-C version, or the laptop or computer. Or if your laptop has a USB-C, you can use that as well. So yeah, there's your SD card slot, the small one, the micro SD card slot, and the big SD card slot. That's pretty nice of them to include as well, because you don't really, it's not really necessary thing to give, but it's nice of them to give. Okay, let's have a look at the instructions then. Right, so cable pull-out instructions. So this one I got for my little brother's car, the Seat Leon Mark III. They said this will fit the car, it's perfect for it, so hopefully it does. And yeah, we'll make an installation video once we can figure out how to do it all properly. There's all the rain plug sensors, so the rain plug sensor I'm guessing will go into here then. So yeah, your rain plug sensor is going to go into here, and then that's your rear camera, and then you have this one more plug here, which I'm guessing plugs into the one that's in there now. So you take that out, plug this one in there, so you can get power basically from that, so it's always running when the car's running. Pretty smart that. It'll be a very clean install actually, because it's all hidden. But I don't know what this hole is for. Why is the hole there? Once I'm in the car, I'll understand what the hell's going on. Let me have a look 1 second, guys. Okay, so that's what the Seat Leon whatever looks like. So you won't be able to see this hole, I don't think. Or will you? No, you won't. Okay, so it'll be like this then basically. So this hole you won't be able to see, will be hidden behind the black stuff on your windscreen, and the camera will be pointed like that. So that's a pretty good idea actually. But then what holds this in place? That's what I need to figure out. How did this stay up? Is there no screws, nothing? I don't understand. I guess we'll figure it out somehow. And then we need to figure out how to close this gap up properly. There's quite a big gap here. So this plastic needs to go above there, but how does it go there? Oh, there you go. So it's not lined up, that's why. You see, this plastic bottom isn't lined up with the top plastic, so it can't go into there. So there's a bit of an alignment issue there, so I'll try sort that out somehow. But yeah, pretty decent kit, can't lie. See what we can do in the car anyway. Hopefully this all works and all that, and then we'll figure out how to stick it on. Thank you FITCAMX for sending this out, appreciate it. See you guys next time, goodbye.